In this segment, we'll cover plane cut and make pattern. And so we've started out with a sphere, but let's switch to the bunny by going to File, Import Bunny, and we'll replace. Okay, so let's cut the bunny in half, first of all. And we can do that with the plane cut tool. So if we go to Edit, Plane Cut, this is a really useful way of slicing things into two parts. It's very fast and easy. Notice that we have these different things we can drag around on the widget. And do you see that light blue arrow there? If we click on it, that shows us that it will flip to keep the opposite side of the geometry. Let's actually turn it vertically. I'm going to snap like that, move it forward, and let's keep the front half of the bunny. Okay, and now let's set it so that we're going to have remeshed fill. Otherwise, we're going to have a big hole here that we'll have to clean up afterward. And press accept. Oops, what happened there? Let me undo. Oh, yeah, no, that should have worked. Oh, I know what happened. It's because the bottom's open. Hold on. Let's go to Analysis, Inspector, and we'll auto repair all. Say done. And now it's, again, we should be ready to do the plane cut. Turn this way. Snap at 90 degrees, move this forward, and cut, discard half, and we want remeshed fill, accept. There we go. So now we have a lot of faces here. This is not really going to be very helpful for making a Voronoi pattern like we see here. What we want to do is reduce the face count, first of all. So we're going to go to Control A to select all the faces, and go to Edit, Reduce. And this will it'll give us a means of dialing down the number of faces on this surface. Let's change this to triangle budget. We want to have an even number of faces on the back too, or we're going to get a really strange pattern. How can we do that? Shape preserving. Let's do uniform. There we go. And let's set our triangle count. I'm just going to click here and enter 300. Let's see how that looks. That's fine. Okay, and we'll accept that. So now we've got our faces reduced, and we'll press Escape to deselect everything. And then let's go to Edit and Make Pattern. And there are all sorts of options here. You can check out the documentation in the comprehensive Meshmixer manual to figure out how all these work. I'll show you just one example here. Let's go to dual edges, and even within this single option, there are all these different sub options that you could change, but we'll just go with the default ones. Oh, actually, let me just mention, if we change something here, we want to click on Update to update the preview. And that will actually show us what the output's going to be like. So you can see how setting this down lower and clicking Update again will preview that different result. And when we're happy with the result, we'll click on Accept. And if I press W to hide the wireframe, you can see this is the resultant pattern that it gives us.